Czech aircraft company, AERO Vodochody, has delivered 3 modernized L-39ZA Albatros aircraft to Nigeria. This delivery is part of a contract to upgrade 3 L-39ZA of the Nigerian Air Force. In July 2020, the 3 aircraft were transported on an 124 aircraft from their base in Kano, Nigeria to Pardubice Airport, Czech Republic to undergo modernization, the company said in a press release. After 2 years of repairs at the AERO facility, all 3 aircraft were returned to their owners. The aircraft was flown back to Nigeria by AERO test pilots covering a distance of 5,000 kilometers over 4 days. Each pilot spends 13 hours in the air. The flight will have stops in Dijon, France, Valencia, Spain, Ghardaie, Algeria, Tamanrasset, Algeria, and Agadez, Niger, before reaching Nigeria. The company said the flights were quite challenging due to the long distances and changing weather conditions. Enhanced features on the L-39ZA aircraft include an electronic flight instrument system with a digital display of flight data in the cockpit as well as a head-up display, HUD. The modernized L-39ZA will be used by the Nigerian Air Force for pilot training before flying the JF-17 Thunderfighter.